Pete, Sam, why don't we take a look at a demo of how Matterport plus Zuant 3D Live Receptionist works for live video and for text chat. And perhaps we can see, maybe two different kinds of things where you as the salesperson initiate the request for a video chat, or vice versa, where the prospective buyer has an interest in a video chat. I can see your screen.
Excellent. So here is the Matterport digital twin for a showroom called Bell & Colville. And this was recently refurbished to provide the whole new sort of Lotus experience and coloring and branding. So you can see I'm moving around, just having a browse. But the black box Zuant navigation device is here on the right-hand side. Said, okay, I'm looking at in a mirror, but I rather fancy the Nimbus Grey. Let's use the navigation to zoom across. Look at the Nimbus Grey Lotus. And this all looks really nice. What's the interior like? Because Lotuses or Loti were very basic in the early days, but they've really brought these more upmarket in recent days. And I like the look of that. And now I'm in the mirror, maybe I've scored more highly, and you can see Sam on the right hand side here in the black box. It's swivel round, and Sam wants to have a chat.
So in this particular example, Pete, you are the prospect walking around the virtual showroom, and
Yes.
Sam is the live receptionist, or in this case would be a salesperson. And Sam, the salesperson, saw that you were behind the wheel and thought, you might be a good prospect for me to see if you have anything to do a little live video conversation.
Yes, indeed. And Sam could take hold of the my screen, and we might have a bit of a chat and say, well, is there any way I can look at the different color schemes and configure my Amira differently? So,
Sam, let's see you close the sale here on is this a $90,000 car? Help me out. I'm just guessing here. So the little challenge with WGAN TV Live at 5 is we got two different things going on with microphones, etc. So Sam actually put his microphone on mute so that we wouldn't have the audio feedback. I think that's what happened. So we can't actually hear you, Sam, because you're muted. I don't know if that was Pete or Sam.
Is that any better, or do we get?
Yeah, now we can hear you. Yeah. Okay. I know we're juggling doing the show live plus doing a live video within the live video. Yeah, we can hear you now. Close the sale, Sam.
Sure. So I can just take Pete over to configuration station. And then if we're not actually at the right point, Pete himself can actually navigate the tour elsewhere if needs be. So it's actually a dual hosted experience. So I can take Pete where he wants, where I think he may want to go, and he can take me where he wants to go as well.